Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, get rid of those expensive chemical-laced hair products and say hello to natural remedies. There's nothing like making the most of what nature has to offer. Our hair is made up of protein called keratin that is produced in the hair follicles. As follicles produce new hair cells, old cells are being pushed out through the surface of the skin at the rate of about 6 inches a year. The hair that you can see is actually a string of dead keratin cells. Viewers, in this video I'm going to share an easy and effective home remedy for growing long hair. Most of the ingredients for this remedy are available in your own kitchen, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe my channel. So viewers, the ingredients we need for this hair mask is egg, yogurt, mayonnaise and coconut oil. So viewers, before making this amazing hair mask, I would like to share with you guys why these ingredients are so good for your hair. Let's talk about our first ingredient, which is egg. Viewers, egg contains lecithin and protein which strengthen, nourish and heal your strands. Plus their high sulfur content might even help your dandruff problem. Then we need yogurt. Viewers, yogurt is full of protein that offers nourishment which the hair needs for proper growth and health. It has lactic acid that is great for cleansing the scalp and clearing away the dead skin cells to help your hair grow properly. So viewers, next we need mayonnaise. Viewers, mayonnaise contains egg yolks, vinegar and oil that works together to nourish and moisturize your hair. So now let's discuss the benefits of the coconut oil. Viewers, coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into its follicles. Coconut oil adds luster, shine and softness to the hair. So to prepare this hair mask, we need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients well and make a thick paste. Apply this mask completely from root till ends. Leave it for about 45 minutes then wash it off. You will seriously notice the difference in just one use. Use it twice in a week for growing long hair in a month. Viewers, I hope you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share your opinion with us in the comment section below. I will see you tomorrow in the more exciting video. Till then, see ya!